Location at MBCI. They have a new ceremonial teepee that they want to that they're installing. They have Indigenous knowledge keepers helping them put it up correctly, and this is so it's more reflective of the student population and the community that we live in. This is Friday afternoon. From what I understand, it's going to be up for the next 2 months and then taken down and then put back up in the spring. So they've been at this for an hour, they took a bit of a break, and now they're coming back to put it up correctly.
Want to give it a try? You want to try one too?
Sure.
Huh? Let's see.
Better go the other way, Trevor.
This one go, Trevor.
So go through here, right?
Yeah. Put that hole. No, no,
No.
no. Yeah. Okay. Go this way.
And then flip it.
Flip it.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's getting harder to pull it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that'll be your turn. Great.
So Mervin, that's why you got off and let him do it. It's gonna get harder to do.
No, no, it's not. It's actually harder up there.
Okay.
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 Tension, so that's why I was like,
You
should
just
I?
go like that. And we grab it right away.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Well, if you're used to it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Really?
Okay, I'll give it a try. You gonna guide it here? There you go. Easy peasy.
A lot of the staff are getting together to pound posts in so everybody can be a part of the process. As stated, this is going to be up for the next couple of months, then taken down, and then put back up in the spring. What's happening today at MBCI?
Okay, so there was I guess you could say it's been in the works for a few years that we've had a desire to bring more and more Indigenous culture into our school to reflect our students, right? The Kelsey School Division is between 50 to 60% Indigenous population in our schools. And so we've wanted our school to reflect that more and more and to bring it into our building. And so last spring we had purchased this teepee. It's made by a local man, Tom Bercier. He's the one who constructed the teepee and made it for us through commission. And then and so it was delivered to us last in June. So, but we felt it was really important for our staff and to kind of receive, you know, some, I guess, qualified instruction about the teepee and the meanings behind and the proper way to put it up and the protocols that are involved with that. So that's what today is all about. We invited Mervin McKay, who is an instructor with UCN currently.
Okay.
He's in the education program at Thompson. He does a lot of their land-based education, and he has a very long...
And that's that gentleman right over there. That's with the hat on. Yeah.
His entire career has been in education. He's been a teacher and administrator. He was instrumental in developing the current social studies curriculum. So he's a very knowledgeable person, and he does a lot of teachings and work with that. So yes, he came today and he's instructing us as staff to.
So Trevor sent me the synopsis of how each pole goes up. I missed that earlier, but when did you guys start?
Oh, we started. We were probably out here about 1:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's taken about an hour for the kind of the main structure to be raised.
Yeah.
And we took a short break for washrooms and things and food. food, and then we're back. And yeah,
Okay. So, is this planned to be a kind of a semi-permanent structure?
our intention is to develop. I guess you would call it a tradition, or as part of our school year, we're picturing every fall and then again every spring.
Okay.
So
perfect.
it's something that, as the teachers, as we know what we're doing, then students can then assist as well in the putting up of the teepee.
Okay.
And it can be used for cultural teachings. It can also be used as an outdoor classroom space and a place to learn specifically about the teachings of the teepee. But it'd also be a good place for if we want to have smudging or anything like that.
Okay.
while we're
Perfect.
during that time. So that's what we're picturing. And like I said, so every kind of a fall and spring, it'll become part of the rhythm of our school.
Excellent.